Imagine yourself in this Ford 2020 Fusion SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, blind spot sensor, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, parking sensors, rear, lane deviation sensors and driver attention alert system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.